So here we are at 883 North Washington Street in Van Wert, Ohio. Looking at a 2015 EZGO TXT with a 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. It does have the Bud Light theme on it, and this cart is sweet. It's got the underbody lights just flickering on. It's got the Bazooka sound system going off with the LED lights going off on the speaker system. It's got the blue and white SS wheels, 14-inch SS wheels. It does have the Jake's Long Travel lip kit on it. As you can see, the Bud Light themed body. Man, this cart is just sweet. And I've only got that stereo about, oh, maybe halfway up, if that. So, come around back here. It does have the rear seat. Fold it down. Bam! There you go. Now you have cargo. Now you have your 4-passenger seating capacity. Hey, get over here to 883 North Washington. Check this baby out. Take it for a test drive. You will not be disappointed. Speaking of test drives, let's take her out for a little ride here. So, off we go. There we go. Yeah, we're jamming. Haha. This cart rides nice, sounds good. Just cruising along here. We're going to turn her back around here. Come around back to the front of the building here. As they say on TV land, Dilly, Dilly with the Bud Light themed 2015 EZGO TXT. Stop in here, 883 North Washington Street. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. And just say Dilly, Dilly, and I know what you're talking about. You're ready for the Bud Light cart. Give us a call. Thanks for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Let's do a quick walk around here. Out in the light here. So you got the Bud Light body. And there's your blue and white wheels. It does have the 23x10x14 Pro Fit all-terrain tires. Look up underneath here. We do supply some cutoffs for the underbody lights as well as the Bazooka sound system. So it does have street legal kit on it as well. So it's got LED headlights, tail lights, turn signals, brake lights, 4-way flashers. Does have a horn on it. So it's ready to rock and roll for you. That's our base street legal package. Hey, again, give us a call, 419-238-2732. Again, thank you very much for watching. I can't wait for you guys to come in and check this baby out. Thank you.